work on the hand shifter, and then we're also going to work on the, what's it called again? Oh, this thing. I forgot what it's called.
Door panels.
Door panels.
And she's rocking the Vino Rat Rod shirt. Mr. Vino, there you go. Boom. Alright, so first we're going to put a jam nut on the bottom of the shifter to make it sit the right direction. So go ahead and unscrew the Hurst shift knob. Yep. There you go.
Wow, this is really easy.
Yep. Mr. Bill Cameron really did that one good.
I like how it has this thing.
Yeah.
Because it's more easier.
Yeah. So go and take that off. And then we're going to put a jam nut on the bottom. And that'll be good to go.
Just jump in the pool. And jump in the pool like a marathon. So it is very hot. As you can see, you can hear the rum 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 rum, right, Dad?
Yeah.
I'm really trying because like the ground is rock, so but Frankie is good. Yeah, good. Sorry about that, my hand slipped. But if you see my face looks like a tomato, sorry, said that wrong. Please, don't get that. Please don't think I'm actually a tomato because I'm not. I just got a sunburn, that's all. From being in the heat, because it's Arizona, right, Dad?
Yeah.
So it just has to be hot. No one can stop Arizona from being really hot.
I love it.
You should like to build Cameron, people.
So boom, baby. What do you think, Shy?
Yeah.
I think we did pretty good. So the shifter is awesome. That worked out really good. And then we got the door panels fixed up. So, I mean, we're sitting pretty solid, aren't we, Shy?
Yeah.
Man, it is bright. It is really, really bright out today.
And hot.
And hot. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Like, you already know. You already know the drill. But yeah, so Frankie's good. It's time to take him to the DMV. Boom, baby.